We talk a lot about how the pandemic changed where work takes place. It's actually 5 questions. The pandemic has removed the factory default settings of all aspects of work. Work was designed for this guy, a straight male who had a wife at home to manage all the caregiving responsibilities. We found that out quickly when women left the workforce en masse. We also found it out quickly when diversity, equity, and inclusion issues went from nice-to-have HR strategy to essential business strategy. What we do for work, we increasingly hand off tasks to technology. How we work, how we measure work, how we lead, all changing. We work 8 hours a day because Henry Ford discovered 100 years ago that all the accidents happened on the 9th, 10th, and 11th hours of production line. So now we work 8 hours a day. Where we work, we've had 966 days of a forced social experiment from which we've learned a lot. But I think the experiments on where work takes place really should begin now and not be filled with our biases. And then while we work, what may be really underpinning the Great Resignation, quiet quitting, and some of the other things we're going to talk about.